In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of Equinor ASA-ADR. Equinor is a global energy company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker EQNR, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To trade, you need a regulated broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker EQNR to find Equinor ASA-ADR. Select the matching NASDAQ listing from the results to open the asset page. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to check recent movement. Confirm the listing shows Equinor ASA-ADR with the EQNR ticker before proceeding. Tap or click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add more before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform further.